To get a Bitcoin wallet QR code, you first need to set up a Bitcoin wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is a software program that stores, sends, and receives Bitcoins. There are different types of wallets, including desktop, mobile, and web wallets. Choose a wallet that suits your needs and follow the installation instructions. Once you have set up your wallet, you need to create a new address. This address is unique to your wallet and is used to receive Bitcoins. Most wallets generate a new address for each transaction to enhance security and anonymity. To get the QR code, go to the Receive section of your wallet. The Receive section usually displays your Bitcoin address and a QR code. The QR code is a visual representation of your Bitcoin address and can be scanned by others to send you Bitcoins. You can also customize the QR code by adding a label and an amount. This is useful if you are accepting donations or payments for a specific amount. Make sure to save the QR code as an image or print it out, so you can share it with others. It is essential to keep your wallet and QR code secure. Only share the QR code with trusted individuals and never share your private keys or wallet password. Regularly update your wallet software to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. In addition to generating a QR code from your wallet, you can also use online QR code generators. These tools allow you to create a QR code from a Bitcoin address. However, be cautious when using online generators, as they may not be secure and could compromise your wallet. To use an online QR code generator, simply enter your Bitcoin address and the generator will create a QR code. You can then download the QR code as an image or copy the code to share with others. Always verify the QR code to ensure it matches your Bitcoin address. In conclusion, getting a Bitcoin wallet QR code is a straightforward process. By setting up a wallet, creating a new address, and going to the Receive section, you can generate a QR code that can be used to receive Bitcoins. Always prioritize security and only share the QR code with trusted individuals.